Welcome in the kitchen with Leila. Now today we are going to make lemon icebox pie. First thing we're going to do, fix our graham cracker crust. And we take it, it takes about 2 packages of graham crackers. I put them in the Ziploc bag, and with my rolling pin, I crushed it and rolled it so it's ready. Now here I have 1/4 cup of sugar added to it, and then 6 tablespoons of soft butter. It all sounds so good to me, and it's going to turn out real good. Now, I'm going to press this graham cracker into the pie plate. I like it thick crust. And it's going to be a thick crust. Now here's our pie crust. It's been baked for 13 minutes and it looks delicious to me, and it's ready. Here I have 6 egg yolks. I'm going to add this cup of lemon juice to it. Now that's going to cook our eggs. Oh, that looks good and smells good. Oh my goodness, it's going to be good. Oh, it's going to be good. And here I have some 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. Oh, I grew up in Ukraine, and I'm so sad to hear the news, what's going on over there now. And I'm proud to be here in America, where I can have the freedom and also the food that we have. Here's our lemon icebox pie. It's finished. It needs to go to the refrigerator for 4 or 5 hours. And when it comes out, I like to cover it with a Cool Whip, sprinkle some lemon zest on top of it, and I tell you, you're going to make your friends and neighbors, if you share it with, very, very happy. Now, you also can use meringue on the pie, if you like. I do it both ways. These are my dear friends, and I have known them for a long time, and I love them. Now, I made the lemon icebox pie, so we're going to share that now. I tell you, I am almost 99 years old. If I can do it, I know you can do it.